let's do a quick what's in my Birkin. He's stuffed, and we're gonna go through it real quick, but this is what it looks like fully stuffed. It's a 35, okay? Everything really quickly. It's a lot in here, but it's a very big bag. You can fit a lot. It's a big tote. You can also take these out all the way and like allow it to get even bigger. I think that's how like Jane used to wear it and how Olsen's wear it, I think. A bunch of people, but if you want it to look all pretty, you can't stuff it this much. You gotta, if you want it to close or like not, but it is supposed to be a big open tote, right? I usually have a sweater on top or something on top too to kind of cover everything that's in there, but I just got back, so I wanted to do it very quickly. Okay, now we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like this, okay? So it's a little easier for you guys to see, but yeah, it's fully stuffed. Okay, so this is shampoo from my friend gave it to me. Lily sings the ballet party, okay? My glasses case, my glasses, AirPods, water bottle, stay hydrated, kids. And everything else is kind of pretty much in a pouch. Laptop and this little essay that I'm reading, King Baby. It's a little pouch, which is kind of a thin pouch. It doesn't get too wide, so it's got 2 books in it that I'm reading. Planner, Togo Chai, a little toiletries pouch, all my like mouthwash, like floss, lip balm, my like inhaler, like a bunch of stuff that I always need. My chargers pouch, which has more headphones, phone charger, computer charger, different types of chargers like the USB-C, USB-B, or whatever, all that. Handy dandy light tripod, portable tripod, which kind of hangs over the side, which kind of light, so I can just grab it because I'm a content creator now. These 2 pouches, which is, they're just connected. One has change in it, and then it was a key pouch, but it didn't fit my keys, so I put the keys in this pouch so they don't like scratch up the inside of the bag. They're just like that now, which I kind of like. And then this is like a little pouch with all my like really, I switch between bags a lot very easily because it's a small. It's got my nose, Vicks, lip balm, sunscreen, hand sanitizer, and a little mini cologne just to like have, and it's like in a little thingy, which is kind of cool. My little pouch, which has my wallet usually, which is in my little corner pouch. Everything's a pouch in a pouch. And then there's another pouch in here with more stuff like hand cream and hand sanitizer and contact solution and stuff like that. That's the pouch in the pouch. Left, just the 2 pockets. In this back pocket is my long wallet with stuff. And then a little box vert anglais, little planner, this little Swift planner, some loose coffee bean and Starbucks gift cards, and the rain jacket for the bag in the rare occasion that it rains. I always want to have it with me. That's everything that was in the bag. She's empty. She's empty. Okay. Bye.